Amidst the vibrant tapestry of university life, discovering your ideal sanctuary away from home is a treasure beyond compare. Allow us to present Harrington Housing Dorchester Student Accommodation, the paradise of comfort and convenience amidst the bustling streets of Montreal and the breathtaking skyline of Canada. Nestled in Boulevard René Lévesque, Harrington Housing Dorchester offers a variety of spacious and fully furnished shared or private apartments featuring warm beds, bookshelves, a TV, a resort-style bathroom, fully equipped kitchenette, and furnished dining area. All the essentials and luxuries a student desires. And that's not all. The property also offers an on-site washer-dryer, ensuring you look your best every day. Plus, utility bills including Wi-Fi, water, and electricity are included in the rent, offering convenience. What sets this house apart is its prime location, with everything you need within walking distance. A quick 3-minute walk takes you to Concordia University, while McGill University, Trebas Institute, and Université du Québec Montréal are a mere 14 minutes away. Unleash your inner foodie and party animal by strolling down the street lined with world-famous cafes and eateries like Mango Bay, Madras Curry House, and Da Vinci Restaurant. Bus stops like Robert Bourassa or St. Jacques at your doorstep and Guy Concordia subway station around the corner keep you seamlessly connected to the entire city. Discover all that Montreal has to offer and more at Harrington Housing Dorchester. Head over to amberstudent.com and secure your dream home today.